All right, let's look at marketing, but in builder style, right? Unlike traditional marketing plans, we have a better way of approaching this, right? Something which is more aligned to what we need as builders. And I call it the game plan, right? It is essentially a one-page canvas with about 10 questions on it, which once you answer, you will have your marketing plan kind of sorted, right? It makes you think through each aspect of your business. It makes you think through your customers, the problems they have, the pains they have, what they want to get to, how you can help them, all of that stuff, right? These are the most critical aspects of your business. And this game plan will make you think through that. It's a very agile and flexible plan. In fact, one of the best ways to use the game plan is answer it first, but assume that everything on there, everything that you've written down as an answer, is an assumption, right? So then you can go out and run experiments to see which of these things are actually right and which of those things are things that you need to go back and change. This kind of really, this iterative approach really makes you understand your business much, much better. The cool thing is that when things change, you just go back and it's just like one page, right? So you go back and you change this and you can adapt to any market, any market changes that happen or any customer changes that happen. And you can be up and running very, very, very fast. Again, it's built for iteration, right? And it's designed to be completed very, very quickly. The first time you hear through it, and you will be doing through that, in the future videos, it's going to take you a little bit of time, but don't worry, right? Once you get the hang of it, it's going to be super simple. And specifically, I built it for builders, right? I kind of like gone back and changed some of the language such that one, it's jargon free, right? None of that fancy 3-letter, 4-letter acronyms, none of that, right? It's very, very simple. It's focused on tangible outcomes, right? So once you do this, you have something of value that you can go ahead and start using immediately. A lot of practical advice in it as well, right? So once you're done with it, it's not something that's going to be like locked away in a Google Drive somewhere, right? It's going to have a ton of actionable steps that you can actually follow. And we're covering all of that in this course as well. And there's a heavy emphasis on experimentation and iteration. All right. With that introduction to the game plan, I'm going to be talking about what it is and how it's going to be helping you in the next video. So I'll see you there.